everybody, Derek Mildred here, owner of First Page Websites, and today we're going to present to you a case study of one of the websites that we've built for one of our clients. So if we scroll down the page, the website that we are referring to is called petricon.com.au. They are a building surveying group based here in Melbourne, and you'll see here it's a very neat, very straightforward, very simple looking website. It covers all the different services that the company offers to their particular target market. And if we go back here, down here we have click here to see proof of page one on Google results. So we click on there and we'll open up a separate page. You can see the website there. And then here you'll see some search terms of where we have this particular website ranking on page one on Google. Now, interestingly enough, is this particular website is optimized for 2 area search terms. In other words, it's optimized for searches done in the Melbourne area, and it's also optimized for searches done in the southeastern suburbs, which is where Petricon has most of its market and provides most of its services. So, building permits and inspections. Now, here you'll see that we've opened up a separate page of Google. You'll see that we're not signed into Gmail or Google in any way, so these are a genuine unassisted listing. And up here we've got building permits and inspections in Melbourne, which are a very competitive, very popular search term for the building surveying industry. So if we scroll down the page, we'll see that petricon.com.au comes up at position number 3. If we scroll further down the page, you'll see that we are confirmed as being on page 1. So position number 3 on page 1, that's quite a good result considering this is a very competitive industry. Building permits in southeastern suburbs. You'll see there's the search term in the search bar up the top there, and we scroll down the page and again there we are at position number 3, petricon.com.au. And if we scroll further down the page, you'll see confirmation that we are indeed on page 1. Now, we can guarantee to get people onto page 1 on Google. Nobody can guarantee to get you to position number 1. In some cases that actually happens, but nobody can guarantee to get you there. We can guarantee to get you onto page 1. Okay, here's another search term, council building order in southeastern suburbs. There's the search term in the search bar up the top there. And there we are at position number 2. And if we scroll further down the page, you'll see we are confirmed as being on page 1. Okay, so we're at position number 2 for Petricon. Council building notice in southeastern suburbs. And there's the search term entered into the search bar there, council building notice in southeastern suburbs. And there we are actually at position number 1. So there's a good result. And if we scroll down the page, you'll see confirmation that we are on page 1 on Google. So a good result there. Owner-builder reports in southeastern suburbs. These are all different search terms related to this particular company's target market and the searches that people conduct when they're looking for their type of services. So here you'll see the search term owner-builder reports in southeastern suburbs entered into the search bar, and we scroll down and we're at position number 2. There we are, just there, and scroll down the page and there's confirmation that we are on page 1. Now, just to clarify one thing, this is actually position number 2 of the organic listings. These are called AdWords listings. These are listings where people have actually paid for their listing or their ad to come up at the top there. Okay, so those are AdWord listings. These are organic listings. These listings are there 24/7. These listings here are only there for as long as their budget for that particular day allows that ad to be on that part of the page. So that is actually a position number 2 ranking or listing on page 1 on Google. So quite a good result. Okay, building permits in Melbourne. This would be the most competitive listing for this particular industry. And you'll see up the top there it is in the search bar. And there's one up the top there. We scroll down and there we are there. So that's position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Position number 6 on page 1. And there's confirmation of page 1. So a pretty reasonable result there for a very competitive listing or keywords. Occupancy permits in southeastern suburbs. Another competitive listing or choice of keywords, and you can see it entered into the search bar there, and here we are ranking at position number 1. And we scroll down, there's confirmation that we are on page 1 on Google. Liquor license reports in southeastern suburbs. So we'll click on that one. There's the search term entered into the search bar, and there we are at position number 1. And then if we scroll down the page, you'll see confirmation that we are on page 1. So good result there. Demolition permits in southeastern suburbs. And there's the search term entered into the search bar up the top there, demolition permits in southeastern suburbs, and we're at position number 2. Confirmation that we're on page 1. So another good result. And last but not least, owner builder reports in southeastern suburbs. There it is in the search bar there, owner builder reports in southeastern suburbs, and here we are at position number 3. And we scroll down the page, and there's confirmation that we're on page 1. So overall, a fairly good level of results there. Now, this particular website, it ranks on page 1 for other search terms as well that are relevant to its target market and the services that it offers for its target market. If you would like to know more, please feel free to contact us. You can contact us via Facebook, via LinkedIn, or directly from our website. We look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.